Hello everyone, my name is Vikrant. I am from the Central University of Haryana. I am the student of Journalism and Mass Communication. Today we are discussing about broadcast journalism. What is broadcast journalism? Basic review. A broadcast journalism is first is types of sorts. There are so many types. First of all, we're discussing about wide shots, also known as a long shots. The wide shot is often used to establish the scene. Medium shots. The medium shots shows the person from the waist up. It brings the subject matter closer to the viewer while also including some background information. Close up. Fill the frame with the subject. Use a related environment whenever possible. Both eyes should be visible and the subject should not be looking into the camera. Balance close up. Balance the picture by using the rule of thirds. Use a related environment whenever possible. Both eyes should be visible and the subject should not be looking into the camera. Rule of third. According to the rule of third, the frame is divided into three parts horizontally and vertically. The subject of the photo is placed into one of the four intersections. Balance the picture by using the rule of third. Use a related environment whenever possible. Both eyes should be visible and the subject should not looking into the camera. These pictures shows that close-up shots. Extreme close-up used to emphasize a point is isolate the subject. B-roll, also known as cutaways. B-roll is used to help illustrate the topic, as in this segment on the FFA. You can't shoot too much B-roll. Comes in handy if there is a jump cut on an error in the video. B-roll can be an effective way to cover mistakes. Broadcast journalism. Pre-production. What is pre-production? First of all, commit to a topic. Decide how to approach the topic. Point of view. Make an appointment to discuss the topic with your subject. Meet with the subjects and decide on a date and time to tape interviews. Jot down 4 B-roll shots. Ideas for B-roll shots. Proceed with the production. The production process. The production process. While meeting with the subject, decide how to approach the subject and develop questions built around 3 to 5 main points. Begin thinking about what pictures will work best for B-roll. Tell the story through people. Develop questions for the subject as well as supporting interviews. Once the segment has been shot and footage have been reviewed, write a script that will create a 1-2 minute story with a beginning, middle and end. Become familiar with the equipment. First of all, camera. Second is microphone. Third is tripod. Fourth is cue cards. Broadcast journalism. Now we are discussing about shooting tips. The camera should be eye level with the subject. The camera should be eye level with the subject even when the subject is sitting. Otherwise, The viewer is looking up at the subject or looking down. Set the tone and the theme of the segment at the start. It is be imaginative. These are the shooting tips. Be imaginative, set the tone and the theme and segment at the start. Look for backgrounds and environments that are eye catching. Set the tone and the theme and segment at the start. Look the background and environments that are eye catching, and it's okay to see someone action going on in the background. The reporter is not the story. The reporter host should only be seen during the open and at the close of the segment. Thank you.